and gentlemen, your top 20 of Miss Luna 2024. So, ladies, I know that आप सबकी दिल की धड़कनें अभी बहुत ज़्यादा हाई होंगी because now we're going to announce the top 10. But before that, I would like to say that whoever any of you, if you guys don't get selected in the top 10, please don't get disheartened because this is just a part of the journey. I know it hurts, I've been there, but I know that you ladies are so strong because if you weren't strong, you wouldn't be standing here in the first place. So please, a huge round of applause once again for our top 20, guys. Truly, truly amazing. So now I have the results with me. So I am going to start now. Please, दिल थाम के बैठ जाइए. So the first contestant who is selected for the top 10 list is contestant number. Any guesses for the? Is contestant number 1 is Congratulations, Remy. So, the next contestant who has been selected for the top 10 of Miss Luna 2024 is contestant number. I'm so sorry, मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है. Right now, feeling very. ये बहुत exciting है. Okay, so finally, coming up with the results, the second contestant who has been selected in the top 10 is contestant number 2, Miss Anjali Lanka. Congratulations, Anjali. So, contestant number 5, Miss Gaya Tito. Congratulations, Gaya. So the next contestant who has been selected is. अभी तक I was going serial wise doesn't mean कि अभी वही होते रहेगा. Keep the excitement going. So the next contestant who has been selected for the top 10 is contestant number 20, Miss Annie Bonnie. Congratulations. So moving ahead to the next contestant who has been selected for the top 10 is contestant number 9, Miss Soma Parvin. Congratulations. And moving ahead to the next contestant, we have contestant number 8, Miss Nati Tara. there are only 4 spots left for the top 10. So now I am going to announce the next contestant who's been selected, and she is contestant number 15, Miss Mukta Rao. Thank you. And the next contestant who's been selected is contestant number 18, Miss Cynthia Qasim. I am so sorry, I misspelled her surname. She is Miss Cynthia Qasim, contestant number 18. Okay, so the next contestant who's been selected for the top 10 finalists of Miss Luna 2024 is contestant number 6, Miss Congratulations, Medina. So there is only a spot left, just one spot left for the top 10 of Miss Luna 2022. Who do you think is gonna be? Any guesses, guys? The last contestant who has been selected in the top 10 finalists of Miss Luna 2024 is contestant number 12, Miss Gulma. My heartiest congratulations to our top 10, and I would like to request my ladies who has not been selected to please go back on the stage, but please don't be disheartened because you all are so pretty and so smart. So now to begin with the Q&A round, the question and answer round of top 10, I would like to pass the mic to the contestants.
Number 1. Hello ma'am. Okay, my question for you is, what is the use of Adigalan? What is the use of Adigalan?
Thank you for your question, ma'am. As we all know, Adi is our travel. Adi is very important for all the Arunachal because Adi is the main tribe of Arunachal Pradesh, which is called Minyong. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 1. So now we move ahead to contestant number 5.
Hello contestant number 5.
Hello, ma'am.
You look very pretty tonight.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you.
Thank you. So my question for you is, do you feel any difference in celebration of Solun now in compared to ancient era?
Thank you so much for the question, ma'am. Yes, I do believe there are lots of difference as compared to ancient era and as in modernity. Because
for only 3 days. And also, I believe, being a youth, I believe that we are not focusing on our roots. So I want to advise the youth, please do focus on your roots and do not forget about your culture and tradition. Thank you.
Thank you. Moving ahead to the next contestant.
Hello, contestant number 9. First of all, Soluna Mahamper and all the beautiful ladies standing over there. You already all are the winners, so I congratulate you all. And now, yeah, contestant number 9, you look so breathtaking. So my question to you is, as my name is Miss Ponung, so definitely my question will be related to the Ponung. So here are the questions. Do you think it is necessary to perform Ponung in solo? Explain your answer, please.
Thank you so much for your question, ma'am. As Solo is celebrated as womanhood, in my opinion, I think that celebrating Ponung is necessary in our Solo because it shows the involvement of our young generation to our tradition and culture. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Moving ahead to the next contestant.
Contestant number 50. Okay, my question for you is, how do the beliefs and spiritual practices of the Adi tribe influence the rituals performed during Solo? I'll repeat the question again. How do the beliefs and spiritual practices of the Adi tribe influence the rituals performed during Solo?
Thank you for your question, ma'am. In my opinion, I believe in Adi ritual. That is the sorry, ma'am. Thank you for your question, ma'am. In my opinion, Adi ritual is connected with the era period of the time. That is the ritual grow up in Adi community. Thank you.
Thank you. Moving ahead to the next contestant.
Hello, contestant number 6. Are you feeling nervous?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry. Be confident and give your answer. Keep patient, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So my question for you is, what is Tatur Masak?
Thank you for your question, ma'am. In my opinion, the Tato Masak is Thank you for your question, ma'am. In my opinion, the Tato Masak is a ritual of our Adi community, and they are in our community, and they are very important to our Adi. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Moving ahead to the next contestant.
Yeah, hello, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
As usual, you also look stunning tonight. So my question goes to you. Here the questions. Explain the role of importance of Ponung oil. I repeat again. Explain the role or importance of Ponung oil.
Thank you for your question, ma'am. Okay, sir, I'm Adil Amludia. Ponung yang role model itu, Ponung gora lo la saniana peidum. We la saniana ila. Ag angana generation ambe. Kangamangura ige boga doga ambe ila. Konu yoy rola more. Thank you.
Thank you. Moving ahead to the next contestant.
Contestant number 80. My question for you is, why do you wear red color rather than any other color in Solo?
Thank you so much for your question, ma'am. And a very happy saloon. Ma'am, some of the audience may not understand Adi. So can I explain my answer in English?
Yes, sure.
Since, ma'am, I am very rooted to my culture. So as much as I know, the Adi color has some supernatural powers, some strength that chase away the misfortune. And that is what we Adi believe. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Moving ahead to the next contestant.
Hello, contestant number 8.
Ma'am,
Why is the head of Iso displaying in home of Adis, and what kind can be displayed?
thank you for your question, ma'am. Well, in our tradition, in our Adi tradition, it is said that the head of Mithun that we displayed on the door of the houses, it represents the forefather, the generation to generation, that how we are connected to our culture and tradition. And also I want to add that it shows that how you are connected to your culture and how you can preserve your culture. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Moving ahead to the next contestant.
Hello, gorgeous. You also look so beautiful tonight. So here goes my questions, my dear. Why Ponung celebrate night is long time celebrations in evening to next morning?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. You are looking stunning today. In my opinion, and what I know about Ponung, we will celebrate till next morning. Is that because our ancestors says that when doing Ponung from night to morning, we tell the story about our ancestors, and the Miri, as a preacher, says that they tell the story of our ancestor and how to emerge the evil street from our Sonu festival. Thank you.
Thank you. Moving ahead to our last contestant.
Contestant number 2. My question for you is, what are the 3 god and goddesses that we worship during Sonam festival?
Thank you for your beautiful question, ma'am. So, our 3 god and goddess is firstly Kirananas, secondly Doi Potter, thirdly Dari Bodhi. They are our god and goddess of Adi tribe. Thank you.
have the names with me. I have the names of the ladies, of the contestants who has been selected for top 5. So now I am gonna announce the name one by one. So the first contestant who has been selected for the top 5 of Miss Lunar 2024 is... Any guesses, people, for the top 5 spot? I can't hear you. Need more energy. This is for the top 5. Okay, so alright. So now I'm gonna announce the top 5. The first contestant who has been selected in the top 5 is contestant number 9, Miss Toma Carmen. Congratulations, Ms. Togam Karme. You have been selected in the top 5. And the next contestant who has been selected in the top 5 is contestant number... Is contestant number 2, Miss Anjali Nanda. Thank you and congratulations, Ms. Anjali Lanka. So the third contestant who has been selected in the top 5 spot of Miss Lunar 2024 is contestant number... Who do you think it is? Who do you think it is among these beautiful ladies? I have the results with me, alright? I'm gonna announce. I'm gonna keep the suspense beside. And the third contestant who has been selected for the top 5 spot is contestant number 1, Miss Remy Panga. Congratulations, Miss Remy Panga. So the fourth contestant who has been selected in the top 5 is contestant number... Let me see the tags. Is contestant number... Any guesses, guys? Please keep on guessing. So only one last spot is left for the top 5. So आपको क्या लगता है कि कौन लाइक किसका सिलेक्शन होने वाला है? All of them are equally beautiful, equally talented, and equally enthusiastic. आपको कौन लगता है कि कौन होगी वो आखिरी contestant who will be selected in the top 5 of Miss Luna 2024? Please keep on guessing, guys. Even अभी मुझे डर लग रहा है. I'm not participating, but I can feel the energy right now. I'm having goosebumps actually. I can understand them. The emotions must be flowing right now because I am gonna announce the last name. जिनका नाम इस लिस्ट पे है, कौन होगी वो सुंदर खूबसूरत लड़की? The पांचवी लड़की, the 5th contestant who has been selected is contestant number 5. Thank you, ladies. And with that, I would like to congratulate our top 5 of Miss Luna 2024. Truly deserving. I would like to repeat the question once again. And also I would like to tell, try to understand the context of the question, alright? Okay, so I will repeat the question once again. The question is, in Solum, we sacrifice animals. What do you think we should continue this ritual or not? Explain.
3, 2, 1, up. Stop writing. ठीक है? आपसे शुरू करें.
Every ritual has hope, feeling, love, story, and most important thing is our sentiment. We sacrifice also animals for our ritual purposes. So I believe animals should have sacrifice in order to preserve our culture, but under certain limits, so that we can preserve our culture, animal, and prevent it from extinction. Thank you.
Once again, good evening, Pakistan. As we all know, Adi is the festival, Solung is the festival of Adi Shrine. So I would like to answer my question in Adi. Asosi ngoluk agung agam lereng dagapa ila hina nana ngoluk aseru pasim bilik tu. Asosi ngoluk nadi potaka ruluk nakmar. Dalam lanapa asosi ngoluk ju yenam tangnam lo agung agam kamu dopa ngoluk nadi potaka asosi ruluk tu. Ayo kau.
According to me, yes, we should continue the sacrifice of ritual because it is the legacy of our forefather and it is the tradition, it is the culture that we are following since the ancient era. And also, being a law student, I want to seek the government about legalizing the sacrifice of men till the future because it is not only the sacrifice, it is our emotion, our tradition, and our identity. Thank you.
In my opinion, we celebrate Solung and it is our tradition to sacrifice animals. But we should not exit the process and also should think about the animal. It is also in our control that how we can connect a good work and we should show the humanity towards animal. Thank you.
In my opinion, we should continue this because
It is our tradition and cultural heritage, and it is also related to our life cycle eating and birth. We can also preserve it by limitation and sustainable development for our future generations. Thank you.
These are the top. These are our reigning queens of 2023 of Miss Luna 2023, and I would like to say that you ladies look absolutely stunning tonight. है कि नहीं? सब लोग. They look so gorgeous. Okay, so without any further ado, I would like to call our top 5 finalists of Miss Luna 2024 on the stage. That we all have been waiting for, जिसके लिए आप सब इतनी आधी रात तक आप बैठे हुए हो, वो पल आ गया है. इंतजार की घड़ी आखिरकार खत्म हो चुकी है. Now we're going to announce our top 3 winners of Miss Luna 2024. Are you guys excited? Because I am very excited. So I would like to start with the second runners-up of Miss Luna 2024. Or who can she be? Who do you think? Contestant number? Alright. I can guess because I have the results, so I will not guess. But I want these ladies to guess. Alright, no suspense. So, the second runners-up of Miss Luna 2024 is contestant number 1, Miss Miss Rami Panga, our second runners-up of Miss Luna 2023. And the crowning ceremony will be done now by our second runners-up, by our second runners-up 2020. Miss Sumpi Sira. Thank you, Ms. Sumbi Sira, and congratulations, Ms. Remy Panga. I would please take the walk, lady. Please take your walk gracefully. Thank you. 2024. Who do you think it is? The first runners-up of Miss Luna 2024. She is contestant number. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. Contestant number. Okay, that's very confusing. So let me clear the confusion. So the winner of So the first runners-up of Miss Luna 2023 is contestant number 20. And our former first runners-up, Miss Miram Liva, will crown our first runners-up of Miss Luna 2024, Miss Amy Boyle. Congratulations, Miss Amy Bori, and thank you, Miss Miram. So now the final moment is here. There will be crowning of the new Miss Luna 2024, and I have a result with me. So amongst these three, आप सबको क्या लगता है that who is the winner? Who is winner? I can feel you guys. Who do you think? कौन हो सकते हैं? Few of them are absolutely gorgeous, equally talented. So now I'm going to announce the winner. So the new Miss Luna 2024 is contestant number. All right. This is going crazy right now. All right. ठीक है, अभी और मजाक नहीं, अभी सीरियस होकर